Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a cardboard number 1 for your kid's first birthday. This cardboard number retails for around $10 to $15 and I am going to show you how you can use a shipping box to make this number 1 absolutely free of cost. Choose a shipping box that is big enough to trace the whole number 1. The number 1 I made is around 18 inches in height in case you are wondering how big of a box to choose. Draw the number 1 on one side of the shipping box using a pencil and a ruler. Then use a craft knife to cut. Use the number 1 you just cut as a template and trace it on the other side of the box. Then repeat the same steps to cut it. Now you will have two number 1s. To make it a 3D number 1, you first need to join the ones at the base. To do this, cut a cardboard piece with the same width as the number 1 and height as 2 inches. Use hot glue to join them as shown here. Now to make the cardboard number look even all over, cut pieces of cardboard measuring 2 inches width, same measurement as the width of the base, and glue them in between using hot glue. Next step is to add weight to the base so that the cardboard number stands without wobbling. To do this, simply add hot glue to 4 or 5 stones and glue them to the inside of the base. Allow it to dry and move on to the next step. Measure the gap and cut the cardboard pieces. Use hot glue on the edges and close the gap using the pieces. Repeat the same steps until the whole number is covered on the sides. Make sure to maintain the 2-inch width. The cardboard number 1 is now ready. You could stop here if you are decorating the number 1 with cardstock or any other items of your choice. As I am going to glue photos onto it, I want to cover the edges. To do this, cut strips of normal paper measuring around half an inch to 1 inch. Use Mod Podge on the edges and cover it using the strips of paper. Do this until all the edges are covered. Paint the cardboard areas in color of your choice to make it look nicer. It took around 2 to 3 coats of white acrylic paint to make it completely opaque. Now comes the fun part. Let me show you how to print the pictures to glue onto the cardboard number. To size the pictures, use canva.com. Open a 8.5-inch by 11-inch blank canvas. Click Uploads and select Upload Media to upload all the pictures you want to use from your computer. Then select each picture, crop it and adjust the size. The small rectangle shows the width and height of each picture as you adjust. I used 1-inch squares and 2x1-inch pictures. It will be easy if you arrange the pictures like ribbon as shown here so that you can save time in cutting. Save the file once the page is completely full and print it. Use Mod Podge to glue the photos onto the number 1 and give a coat of Mod Podge on the top of the photos to secure it. Covered all the sides of number 1 with photos, but it is up to you to decide how you want it. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like it, make sure you click that like button and share it with your friends, and share a picture with me if you make it. See you next time with another DIY. Until then, bye, take care.